Hey, techies, welcome or welcome back to kaetalkstech. So, today I want to talk about something that none of us is going to be happy about, but basically they're coming for us, y'all. I saw this on Facebook, so I just kind of wanted to share it with you. Okay, right above my head, right up here, you're seeing Open AI agent pricing. The pricing structure for OpenAI's AI agents is set to cater to various market segments with three distinct tiers. Low end agents priced at $2,000 per month, targeting high income knowledge workers. Hey, that's me. Okay. Mid tier agents around $10,000 per month, designed for software development tasks, which kind of doesn't make any sense. But maybe that's meant to replace a team of developers. High-end agents up to $20,000 per got cut off, but the rest of it says per month for PhD research um, workers. So here's the thing. After we all have no money because we can't work, what are we supposed to do? Live in the forest or live in the downtowns and tent cities? I think these people are creating an environment that they're not ready for. And this is not just one country that will be impacted this way. This will be worldwide. So once you finish getting rid of everybody, who are you going to sell your products to? Because nobody has any money to buy anything. But I think we can make them feel that a little bit sooner. We can take a lesson once again from black people, because you should have listened to us, okay? But you didn't. But if you've noticed, there's been a boycott against Target by black people, and they've lost $16 billion. That's what I've been hearing in the news. And then doing things like calling Reverend Al Sharpton to find out what they can do. The Reverend Al don't make us buy nothing. Okay? We love the Rev. Don't get me wrong. But he's not going to make us spend our money with you. And by the way, he would be on our side anyway. You know, if you have a certain market segment, you have to treat them respectfully. And when you stop treating them respectfully, they stop buying. And that's what's happening to us. You know, it's like every country has come to America to take spoils, right? Everybody wants to sell their product in America because America's a fairly rich country by comparison. No, we're not all rich, but compared to other places, right? But that's all changing now. So we're going to have to do a lot of soul searching and decide what it is we want to let happen. Because we don't have to just sit back and be run over by companies who are just being more and more and more greedy, right? Now, I can't fault somebody for trying to make a dollar, but to just devastate the economy is stupid. Once you have all your money and you can't make any more, what are you going to do with it? Where are you going to spend it? I guess you could go to other countries and spend it with that group of rich people over there. Um, But you know, when you keep beating people down, after a while they do push back. So let's not do that. Let's have some common sense and some empathy for each other to begin with, and not just put people in a position where they have absolutely nothing. All right. That's it. That's all I have for you today. I just wanted to show you, what OpenAI has is cooking up for you. Um, I was going to buy a version of ChatGPT, but after seeing this, I think not. I'll just keep going with the free one. Okay? Um, and you can decide what you want to do. All right, that's it. Like the video, follow the channel, share the video, follow me on other social media, and then come on back here where we can talk tech again. Bye.